Hello friends, I am Neeraj. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I have come with yet another healthy recipe for you all. Today I am going to make corn waffles with you. This can be had as a meal or a snack, however you prefer. So let's see what all we need for that.
So here we are ready with all the ingredients. 1 cup of gram flour, 1 cup of semolina suji. Here I have churned 1 cup of American corns. Corns are the main ingredients in this recipe. They give a very good taste in it. Now we will mix 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of green chilies, lots of coriander leaves washed and finely chopped, a pinch of asafoetida powder, we also call it hing, half teaspoon soda bicarbonate, and that's all. Just we need to assemble 4-5 ingredients in this recipe and make a good batter out of it. Mix the water slowly. Now we have mixed enough water to make a batter of this consistency. Now what we do is, here I have a waffle maker. Preheat it for 10 minutes and when it is hot, drizzle oil generously in it. We will now put the mixture like this and just close the lid. It will take around 15 minutes and do not open before that. I took out the waffles when they were nicely cooked. We can have them straight away like this, or what you can do is, if you want to serve them as snacks in a party or a get together, just cut them into 4 parts like this. Garnish it with tomatoes, crumbled paneer or cottage cheese, and green chutney made of fresh coriander leaves. I prefer this as it has no preservatives in it.
So friends, the waffles are ready. You can have them as a meal. You can just cut them into 2 triangles or maybe 4 squares to make them small snacks. And just enjoy these waffles and do let me know how you like them. Thank you. Bye-bye.